Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about the important concepts of para summary or essence of the text or author's position. A very scoring area, MCQ area, gets you that +3 easily if you focus on a couple of basic pointers. And always concepts are very important before you start the practice, or even if practice does not seem to go your way, come back to the drawing board and refer to the concepts again. So now understand the pattern of the question. Para summary, essence of the text or author's position. You basically have a paragraph which is given from an article. You have to read the paragraph and you have to figure out the option which best summarizes the paragraph or gives you that one important part or point from the paragraph, the reason why that paragraph has been written, the main idea of that paragraph, or which gives you what is the author's, if the paragraph is a very opinionated paragraph wherein the author has a clear opinion on the topic, they can ask you to identify that author's opinion or that author's position. Okay, so now I will explain to you how exactly you should go about it. Plus I will tell you some common mistakes that I've seen my students make, and I know for a fact that some of you who is not getting an accuracy in this area might also be making, so that you quickly rectify that. Okay, so one mistake is, guys, there's a misconception which is floating around that the main idea or the essence of the text or the author's position is always to be found in the last line of the para. That's wrong. Yes, mostly it is in the last line of the paragraph, but that main essence, that main position, that main summary can be present anywhere in the paragraph. That applies for RCs as well. It could be in the beginning of the paragraph, the introduction, the author could give his essence of the text or the main part, the main line. It could be in the middle as well, and it could be in the last as well. So you don't have to think that, okay, to answer this question, you only have to or mainly have to focus on the last line. You have to read the entire paragraph and be careful to figure out the main idea which is repeated again and again, around which the entire passage centers. The entire passage किस पॉइंट को एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहा है, एंड मेनली ऑथर का पर्सनल ओपिनियन कहाँ आ रहा है. दैट ओपिनियन कुड कम इन द बिगिनिंग, in the middle, or usually it does come at the end. Okay, now the second mistake that students make is they try to search for the right summary. They try to search for the right option. This question can only be answered correctly through the elimination technique. Yes, I want you to focus on the elimination method. There is no perfect summary. Every option कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ेगा. Because पैरा 10 लाइन का है, ऑप्शन 1 लाइन का है, कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही. तो no option is perfect. So eliminate the options and you will be left with the right answer. How do you eliminate? There are 3 grounds of elimination. Either you can say, okay, this option is irrelevant, the option is incorrect, or the option is incomplete. Now let's understand the main points. First, eliminate any option which gives you idea which is not even mentioned in the para. मतलब पैरा में अरे ऐसा कोई एडवाइस ऑथर ने दिया ही नहीं है, ये पॉइंट तो पैराग्राफ में मेंशन ही नहीं है, ये आइडिया पैराग्राफ में मेंशन ही नहीं है, पर ऑप्शन में है. let's say the passage is on global warming and author ने बस उसके cause effects को explain किया है, पर option में दिया है we need to do something soon, but the author has not shown this urgency, let's say. या कोई solution recommendation we need to do this, author ने ऐसा language ही नहीं use किया है, then that's your odd one out. That's your elimination में मतलब वो निकल जाएगा. तो eliminate any option which gives you unnecessary ideas or ideas unstated in the passage. Eliminate any option which is a distortion, जहाँ पे मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है, एंड स्पेशली क्वांटिफायर्स पे ध्यान देना. Some, many, few, always. The passage, let's say, says many a times this has happened. ऑप्शन ने बोल रहा है every time this happens. कॉन्टेक्स्ट चेंज हो गया, मीनिंग चेंज हो गया, डिस्टॉर्शन हो गया. The paragraph may have mentioned 2 points separately. For example, global warming happens due to, let's say, greenhouse gas emissions, full stop. The government has not yet taken action. अब ऑप्शन में ये 2 पॉइंट्स लिंक हो गए. लेट्स से हाउ द ऑप्शन में ये पॉइंट्स लिंक होके आ गए कि ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस बिकॉज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट्स एपैथी हैज कॉज्ड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. अब ये इन दोनों पॉइंट में बिकॉज का रिलेशनशिप तो पैरा में था नहीं. So two lines which are given separately in the para and आपने उनका relationship बना दिया, cause and effect relationship बना दिया, या उन दोनों points को ऐसे connect करके differently present कर दिया, that's called as a distortion. So eliminate any option which is a distortion. Then eliminate any option जहाँ पे main idea, author का main position, main focus missing है. So main points missing. Okay, eliminate that. Any option which gives you unnecessary data, unnecessary points, unnecessary मतलब जो main चीजें हैं ही नहीं, जैसे examples not important. हाँ, अगर एक primary example पूरा passage का focus है तो आप उसको mention कर सकते हो. But for instance passage बोल रहा है many banks such as ICICI, SBI, HDFC have implemented this. तो आपको option में जरूरी नहीं है such as करके comma लगाया हुआ आप option choose करो. That's not the main point. You can choose an option instead which says many leading banks. So try to avoid options which give you unnecessary examples, unnecessary numbers, statistics. Statistics, dates मैंने बोल रही हूँ, dates होने चाहिए. Date मतलब ये statistics जैसे 3,200 people have answered this survey. अब वो जरूरी नहीं है ना कि आपके option में आए. What is more important is वो survey का finding क्या है, वो आए. So please make sure to eliminate and quotations which are not. Abraham Lincoln once said, Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, kai baar author starts with famous quotations, but those quotations need not come into your option because option is from the perspective of the author, not someone else's words. So please eliminate any options which are giving you unnecessary points, substantiating points, unnecessary details where the main point is not even covered. And also see how the option is framed or presented. Main point highlight hona chahiye, na ki secondary point. Okay, but make sure to answer this question only on the basis of the elimination technique. Only then you will get it right. It's an easy area, it's a scoring area. Okay, and we will work on this with a lot of practice questions in our daily sessions in our marathons. So please make sure that all of you are there. जल्दी से बैच ज्वाइन करो गाइस, क्योंकि हमारे बैच के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, हमारे पेड बैचेस के लिए, ब्लैकी कॉलेजेस के लिए रिवॉर्ड्स अप टू 1 लाख तैयार है. एंड आपको बस एनरोल करना है. You have to apply the code COREMBA and join in. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can call up this number. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Concept revisions, very important. See you all in our live classes for more practice. Thank you.